If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please click this subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family, and click this bell button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will share a magical remedy to get rid of your body hair. It's really simple and all you need is a toothpaste and a baking soda. Here I will show you two ways, so let's just get started. So in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and take room temperature water and mix these two together, and then apply this with a cotton ball on the part where you want to remove hair and wash off after 15 minutes. For another remedy, take 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then mix it together with water and apply it to the places to get rid of hair and wash off after 10 to 15 minutes. So this was for today guys. I will see you all on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips. Till then, take care. Bye bye.